Maverik Adventure Shop is the Midwest's largest fuel chain. Maverik was established by Reuben Call in Afton, Wyoming in 1928 as a small two-pump station. Now, over 90 years later, Maverik has more than 300 stores in 11 western states. Perhaps debatably questionable fuel quality, there is no doubt that Maverik is the cheapest place to fuel up in the Midwest. They also offer a great selection of snacks, drinks, and food, and in my opinion, they offer the best rewards or loyalty program out of any large fuel chain. Welcome back to Evo Auto. I'm Nate, here to enhance your vehicle ownership. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about Maverik and its two rewards or loyalty programs and why you should sign up today to save money on gas. So I have been a Maverik member for quite a while now. If you know Maverik, you know that there's two rewards or loyalty programs. The basic program is the Maverik Adventure Club, and the pro version is to become a Maverik Nitro member. A lot of people, especially if you fill up at Maverik, know about the rewards or loyalty programs. It offers you 2 cents of savings off every gallon of gas that you fill up at the pump. And if you do fill up at Maverik, you know that they advertise their Nitro card like crazy, which offers you 6 cents off every gallon. So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the benefits and what's the catch to this rewards or loyalty program. Both Maverik's rewards or loyalty programs are completely free to use. I've been a member of the basic Adventure Club for years now, and I have enjoyed the 2 cents of savings off every gallon. However, I just signed up and wish that I had signed up sooner for the Maverik Nitro card. If you are a regular at Maverik, you need the Nitro card, and I'm going to tell you guys why. Besides the fuel savings, Maverik's Adventure Club also allows you to earn what they call trail points, or rewards points. With the Maverik Adventure Club, or the basic rewards program, you get 1 trail point per dollar spent on gas or in the store at Maverik. You can then use those trail points to win or buy free stuff via the Maverik app or your online account, and trust me, they stack up. With Maverik Nitro, you not only get the additional 6 cents of fuel savings, but also double the trail points per dollar spent on gas or in the Maverik store. This means even more savings or freebies from money that you would have spent anyways on fuel or food on those trips at Maverik. Both the Adventure Club and Maverik Nitro offer an electronic punch card program on their hot and cold drinks, energy drinks, and bonfire foods. You buy 10 and you'll get 1 purchase free. That's just some added savings from being a Maverik member. And on my birthday last year, I got a free cookie from Maverik for being one of their Adventure Club members. So just an added benefit or bonus of signing up at Maverik. Now I'm going to jump over to the computer and show you guys how to use your Maverik account. If you haven't registered yet, pause the video, head over to Maverik.com and at least sign up to be an Adventure Club member. And then go ahead and come back here, follow along as I show you how to use your account, and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about the Maverik Nitro card. Okay, so finally jumping over to the computer, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Maverik.com, and then you're going to come up to the right and click on My Rewards. This is going to bring you to a login or register screen. I've already signed into the account, but if you don't have a Maverik Adventure Club account, go ahead and register and then come back to this video and I'll show you guys how to use your account. Whether you have the Nitro card or the Adventure Club account, your main screen is going to look pretty similar to this. Right now I haven't registered for my Nitro card quite yet. I'm going to go ahead and activate that in a minute, and my fuel savings should change from 2 cents to 6 cents. But with the Adventure Club account, you're going to have 2 cents of fuel savings, or 2 cents off every gallon. And you can see your trail points balance right here. And if you know that you've made a recent purchase and your balance hasn't changed, just hit this little refresh button right here, and that'll refresh your trail points balance and show your most recent transactions or recent purchases. And then under all of that, you're going to have different tabs here: My Stuff, Punch It, Win Stuff, Buy Stuff, Locations, and your account. Under the My Stuff tab, which is what it's set on as default, you're going to notice anything that you have here available to redeem. Right now, I currently don't have anything that I've redeemed or anything that I haven't spent here, but if you're using your trail points to redeem stuff or spend on anything, or maybe if it's your birthday and Maverick's giving you a free cookie or drink, anything like that is going to show up here under My Stuff. So My Stuff's a good page to keep your eye on, but then right here on the right side is the Punch It program that I was talking about. So you have 3 different punch cards. You have your bonfire food, energy drinks, and your hot and cold drinks punch card. And you can see that I have eaten 2 Mavericks meals or bought 2 bonfire foods at Maverick, and so I have 8 holes left to punch for my next freebie. I'm not an energy drinker, or I'm not an energy drink drinker, and the hot and cold drink, I used to drink quite a bit of soda, but here in 2020 I'm giving it up, unfortunately. So I had 4 holes punched, and I went through this punch card probably 5 or 6 times last year, so it really does work. Every 10 holes or every 10 punches that you get or purchases of soda, they will give you a soda for free. So yeah, unfortunately I'm not going to be using that one as much anymore, but the Punch It is a very nice perk to this rewards program. It is a cool way to save a little bit of money, but it's a super cool way to, I guess, earn rewards at Maverick. Plus, for every purchase that you spend here, you get trail points for every $1 that you spend in the store. With those trail points, you can use them to win stuff and buy stuff. So under the Win Stuff tab are Maverick's monthly raffles that they have going on right now. So right now it looks like they're raffling off a razor and some sort of quad plow. Looks like a snow plow that they're raffling off for one customer or somebody, I guess, from Maverick that puts into this raffle will win. And then in this tab under the details page, you can agree to their terms and put how many trail points that you want to spend as well. I'm not going to spend any points right now on the raffles because I always use it to buy stuff. So that's the Win Stuff page, and I love to use my trail points to buy stuff from Maverick. So Maverick offers, I guess, a various assortment of items, and I'm not sure if they change very often, but they offer a bunch of different things that you can use your trail points on to redeem. So you can see here that each of them have a different trail points value, and if you want to buy one, you again put how many that you want and then hit spend points. And it's super easy to buy stuff with Maverick. I usually wait until I have enough to get the $20 Maverick gas card. I think it's super cool that not only are you saving 2 to 6 cents per gallon at the pump, but you can also accumulate points to then go back and save some more money on gas from Maverick. So I really do like the buy stuff page in the Maverick program. This is kind of the sure safe way that you're guaranteed to get something out of it. And again, with the Adventure Club card, you earn 1 trail point per $1 spent at Maverick, and with the Maverick Nitro card, you earn double the points, so you'll earn 2 trail points per $1 spent at Maverick. Of course, under the Locations tab, you can see where all of the Mavericks are located at. So if we're here, let's say in Salt Lake City, not only can I see all of the different Maverick locations, but I can also see how much the gas is here at each Maverick station. And I'm not sure, I guess this is just any fuel type, but let's say I want just regular unleaded for my car. You can see it's $2.69 at this Maverick location on North Temple Street in Salt Lake versus some of these other locations that were $2.72 in Salt Lake. So it's kind of a fun and quick way to also see Maverick locations if you're traveling and the different fuel prices that are around. Looks like one over here is $2.63. So that just kind of helps you save even more money on fuel, and of course helps you find a Maverick that you are always close to here in the Midwest. Let's zoom out a little on their map. So of course Maverick is located mostly in the Midwest, as we can see. In Wyoming there's 23 stations, Colorado 26, Idaho 43, Utah. So anyways, this is a really cool and convenient way to locate Maverick shops and locations and know prices before you get there. if you are trying to save even extra money or more money on fuel. And then this is your account tab here as well. So they allow you the option of editing your profile, whether that's changing your phone number, your email, or your actual information. You can see any coupons that Maverick has available, and they've had this Altria tobacco coupon available for like 4 months now, but you can check there periodically to see if they're offering anything new. You can add Adventure Club cards that you can get at Maverick for free. That way you don't have to put in your phone number every time you make a purchase. You can just slide the card. Again, here's account preferences. You can see your purchase history at Maverick. So you can see all of my different, I guess, mostly for me, fuel purchases. Occasionally there'll be a soda purchase in there or something, but it will tell you the store, where it was located, and the date, and then for how much. So this is really kind of a cool and convenient way to keep track of all of your Maverick purchases, maybe for your personal accounting needs. You can look at your trail points history, so this will tell you how many trail points you gained from each transaction on the date, and it will also show you when you spend your trail points and on what you'll spend them on. Right here is your Nitro card. So I just got my Nitro card, but if you want to sign up for a Nitro card, you go ahead and go to the Nitro card on your account, and that will help you sign it up. I have to put in the last 4 digits on my Nitro card to verify my account. Okay, I went ahead and activated my Nitro card. I can't show you that tab again for personal reasons, but under that tab it also allows you to cancel your Nitro card in case it's lost or anything like that. And of course Maverick offers their about page, questions, concerns, and different helps, and you can log out of your account right here. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my stuff, and you can see that since I activated my Nitro card, my fuel savings have increased from 2 cents per gallon off to 6 cents per gallon off when I use my Maverick Nitro card to pay. And yeah, this is how you use your Maverick rewards or loyalty program account, whether you are a regular Maverick Adventure Club card member or a Nitro member. I highly recommend that you do the Maverick Nitro account. It's just another way to save even more money on fuel and another way to get even more perks from Maverick. Again, saving even more money on fuel if you're like me and occasionally treating yourself to something cool like a for real smoothie. But I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys now about the Maverick Nitro card and some of its misconceptions and why you shouldn't be afraid to use the Maverick Nitro. I hope that helped. If it did, if you're as excited about the Maverick Adventure Club as I am, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit about Maverick Nitro. I worry that people are afraid of Maverick Nitro because they're under the impression that it's a Maverick credit card, but it's not. The Nitro card rather is a payment or a debit card that links to your checking account the same way that online bill pay does. If you pay your bills online, you will be super familiar with the Nitro card sign-up process. If you don't worry. Maverick has great instructions and they do an awesome job of walking you through it. So when you do sign up for the Maverick Nitro card, what it is it becomes a debit or a payment card used at Maverick or for use at Maverick that works much in the same way your regular debit card does. In fact, it's protected by a PIN and the same 256-bit encryption, just like your bank debit card is. Because of this, Maverick does not require a credit check, or you cannot go into debt while using this card. You must, however, make sure that you have money in your checking account in order to use it, just like you would your personal debit card. So what are you waiting for? I wish that I had signed up for my Maverick card much sooner because it makes the cheapest fill up in the Midwest even cheaper. And if you're like me, that means more money in your pocket for more adventures. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to Evo Auto, and hit that bell icon to get notified every time that I upload a new video. As always, I hope you guys are doing great, and I'll catch you in the next video. And don't save. And stop. All right, so I'm here at Maverick with the Audi, and premium fuels 289 or 283.9. Sorry, that's ouch. That's expensive. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and slide in my Nitro card now. There. All right, now you can see that this fell from 283.9 to 277.9, so that's 6 cents off per gallon. If that's not enough incentive to switch to Nitro, then I don't know what is.